This is my top 5 online money making hassles. Day 8 of Project Wealth 101. These online hassles became the lifesaver para sa akin dahil kahit unemployed ako, kahit natutulog ako, I'm earning money. Wala akong oras na sinusunod and yes, super flexible ng oras ko. Without further ado, mag-start na tayo. Number 1 is affiliate. In affiliate, you can earn 6 digits to 7 digits. Depende sa'yo. I'm almost earning 1 million in 1 year. Sobrang passive niya kahit tulog ako may pumapasok na pera sa akin. Number 2, collab and brand deals. Sa brand deals, you can earn 5 to 6 digits if you are starting in your journey. In my part, I'm earning 5 digits to 6 digits every month. Well, not bad. Ang secret naman dito, kailangan mo muna mag-build ng followers mo before you can do it. Number 3, selling services. Before I start content creation, I am a freelance graphic designer and video editor. That time, I was earning 4 to 5 digits every month. Depende sa client. More clients, more money. Number 4, monetization. If sikat na sikat ka sa social media, sobrang laki ng kikitain mo dito. But in my part, I'm earning 4 to 5 digits a month here. Okay na rin. Last, number 5, selling digital products. In this part, maganda to kapag may sarili ka ng community. You can share your knowledge through digital products and magge-generate yun ng income sa'yo. Right now, nagsisimula pa lang ako kaya hindi ko pa masasabi sa inyo. So yun lang, see you sa day 9. Bye-bye!